What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Dollar Mike back at it again with another video, and today we're going to be talking about Crypto.com yet again. We're going to be discussing the Crypto.com Metal Visa debit card. This debit card will get you a lot of cash back when it comes to CRO, and it'll also get you some exclusive benefits depending on how much money you actually stake in CRO. So it should be a pretty quick video for you guys. I'm going to go all over this particular debit card and the other debit cards that they have, because this isn't the only one you can get. You can get a couple of them. They offer different things, but it's great regardless. And with the crypto dip going on right now, it might be a great time for you to go ahead and buy some CRO and stake it for the long term. So that way you get some cash back, and you get to watch CRO go back up to $1 and beyond that over the next coming years. So let's not waste any more time. Let's jump right into the video. Let's go. If you guys haven't seen my channel before, I make videos talking all about personal finance. So that means saving your money, budgeting, credit cards, investing in stocks, bonds sometimes, and cryptocurrency is what we're talking about today. So like I said before, we're going to talk about that CRO Visa debit card. So let's get right into it. If you guys have been sleeping under a rock and you don't know what Crypto.com is, or the Crypto.com debit card, or all that kind of stuff, make sure you check out my previous video because I go over Crypto.com in depth. So make sure you check all that stuff out. We're only going to be talking about the debit card in this video, so just letting you know off rip. The videos will be linked right up there if you're interested. If you're not, all good, no problem there. And if you already know, then of course, let's get into it. So Crypto.com offers 5 different tiers of Visa debit cards that you can go ahead and sign up for and grab today if you're interested. These 5 different tiers give you different benefits depending on which tier you get, and we'll go over those tiers right here. The lowest tier doesn't offer much since it's free, but this is the Midnight Blue card. You don't have to stake any CRO to go ahead and get this card, and you'll get 1% cash back on every single purchase you make with this card. You'll get 1% cash back in CRO. You can then transfer that to any other cryptocurrency you want, or just cash it out and have it be pretty much USD or actual real dollars. But if you move on over to the next tier, which is the Ruby Steel tier, that's the card I have right now. That is $400 staked in CRO, and you'll get 2% cash back in CRO on every single purchase you make. On top of that, you'll also get 100% free Spotify for just having your CRO staked in the Crypto.com app. Past my current tier, we have the Royal Indigo and Jade Green. Staking, you had to stake $4,000 worth of CRO. You'll get 3% cash back in CRO on every single purchase that you make with that debit card. You'll also get 100% free Spotify and 100% free Netflix as long as you use the actual debit card that you have to go ahead and purchase those particular subscriptions. Moving on up is the Frosty Rose Gold and Icy White tier. You get to stake $40,000 in CRO. You'll get 5% back on every single purchase you make with that card in CRO. You'll also receive 100% free benefit when it comes to Spotify, Netflix, and Amazon Prime, as well as 10% back when it comes to Expedia, airport lounge access with one guest through Lounge Key, a Crypto.com private access. You'll earn bonus rewards. You'll pretty much earn bonus APY when it comes to CRO. So I think you earn 12% APY every single year for all the CRO you have staked, and you'll also get exclusive other benefits like merchandise. The last tier is the Obsidian tier. That is $400,000 staked in CRO. You'll earn 8% back on every single purchase you make with that Visa debit card. That'll go towards CRO. Like I said before, you can transfer it to whatever you want. You'll get 100% back in Spotify, 100% back in Netflix, in Amazon Prime, 10% back in Expedia, another 10% back in Airbnb, airport lounge access with one guest, Crypto.com private. You'll earn that bonus reward of 12% APY every single year on your CRO. Of course, exclusive merchandise as well, and you'll also have a private jet partnership. I'm not exactly sure what this means, but I don't have $400,000 at stake regardless, so we'll just have to wait and see, or find somebody that does have that much stake to find out what you really get for the private jet partnership. As I mentioned before, I have the Ruby Steel Visa debit card, so if you want to go ahead and upgrade, I can scroll on down, and once I get to a certain point, I can upgrade to it. If you go ahead and click on upgrade, it'll show you all the tiers I just mentioned to you. So right now I have the $400 worth of CRO tier. I'm trying to upgrade it to this $4,000 worth of CRO. So once I hit $4,000 worth of CRO, these are all the benefits I receive. If we're going up $40,000, that's all the benefits I receive. 400,000, that's all the benefits I will receive. Now, when it comes to actually staking, what exactly is staking? Staking is pretty much locking up your crypto so you can't touch it or anything like that for a certain amount of time. Typically, when you go ahead and stake your CRO, you'll get some type of bonus on top of the coin, hopefully going up. This is not CRO in particular, this is any cryptocurrency that you may decide to stake. Pretty much you're locking your cryptocurrency up with Crypto.com, and they give you a bonus for doing so. So you can't sell it at all during this staking period. To get the max amount of benefits, I would say stake it for at least 6 months. On top of that, I'm just generally long-term bullish in CRO if you haven't seen my previous videos. So I'll continue to keep staking CRO for the long term, for at least the next 5 years or so, I would say. You may be completely different when it comes to your CRO and your other cryptocurrencies, so definitely take that with what you will. Do whatever you want to do with that information. But personally, long term for me, I really do believe in CRO, Crypto.com coin. So I'll be staking pretty much all my CRO as soon as I hit that $4,000 mark. And then past that, maybe we'll hit the $40,000 one day. Depends on if I run into a lot of money. If I don't, then we'll probably just stick with the $4,000 one. But you guys get the point. Like I mentioned before, once that CRO is staked, you cannot withdraw it. So whatever CRO does, going up or going down, you cannot take any money out of your CRO that is staked at all. You have to wait until that term is over. I believe that term can either be 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months, but I said you get the most benefit when you go ahead and sign up for that 6-month period. As soon as I hit that 4,000, I'm gonna do the same. If you're interested in signing up for Crypto.com after you watch all these Crypto.com videos I've made over the past couple of weeks, then definitely go ahead and sign up. Use my link down below and it'll get yourself a free $25 when you go ahead and stake and get at least this card. You don't have to get this card, but if you at least get this card, anything higher than that, then you'll get a free $25 when you go ahead and stake. If you don't use my link, that's perfectly fine. I'm not gonna hate you. It's all good. No big deal. But if you want a free 25, there you guys go. Use the link. It'll be down below for Crypto.com. Already had a couple of people use it and they got their 25. So that's simple. All I got to say for this video, that's pretty much all this video has to offer. We're just talking about the debit card in this video. I'll have more videos coming in the future for you guys regarding cryptocurrency, stocks, all that kind of good stuff. Haven't really been in the stock market too deep recently because it's going up, down due to inflation, virus fears, all that kind of stuff. So I haven't been touching too many stocks. I'm just waiting to see what's going to happen. Having some money on the sidelines to go ahead and drop in when I'm ready. So there you guys go. That's it for this video. That's it for a quick update regarding Crypto.com, CRO, a couple of updates going on the channel, all that kind of good stuff. So there you guys go. Thank you guys for watching. As always, happy Spider-Man Day. I'm going to go see Spider-Man today. I'm pretty excited about that. Ooh, everyone's telling me it's great. So let me know what you think down in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. As always, take care of yourselves. Thank you for Patreon. Likes, comments, subscribes, all that kind of good stuff. We're going up in 2022. Ooh, it's so much stuff. It's so much stuff I want to show you guys or just bring to you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves. I'm out. Stay safe. Dollar Mike. Peace.